Look, guys, this is a so-called educated crowd in our nation. They can afford to buy things from JW Marriott, New Delhi, it seems. Expensive things, and this is what they do. This is what it is. See the nature here. River flowing, deep nature everywhere. So they choose a place which is the cleanest, purest, take whatever they wish to take from that, and this is what you have to give back. Such a shameful thing for human beings. This is what you have to give back to the nature. This is what you have, because this is what you are actually. This is what you have inside you. This is nothing but a representation of what you have inside yourself. Garbage. This is what you will give back to life. And this is what life has to give you. See this? You choose to be in nature, which is pure, which is all giving. And this is you give back. Wake up, guys. Wake up.